Hello there, welcome back to our channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a video on TikTok. So it would be quite easy, and just follow this step along with me. Alright, so the first thing is you need to download and install the application. You can do that from the Play Store, and if you search in the Play Store you can find the TikTok, which is already installed. And I'll just get back to the TikTok. And so once you open the application, just tap on this plus at the bottom. You can see on the middle right. Okay, so the very first step is you need to record a video, right? Okay, so just tap on this red button on the center. Alright, so now the video is recording, and you can capture the thing that you'd like to include on the video. Alright, okay, so my video is almost captured. I will just hit with this right tick mark. If you click that, the video will process. Now we shoot the video. Now it's time to add sound and other effects in order to complete the video. So for the sound, you can see on the bottom left sound option. If you click on that, I have different option for the sound. So these are some of the sounds. Let's pick one of these. Alright, so let's use this sound. So I'll just tap on this red tick mark. Alright, we're almost done with sound as well. Okay, so once you're done with sound, now it's time to add some effects. Okay, for the effect you do have different option at the bottom. Also, like, you can use the filter as well from the right on top, right? So let's add this filter. Let's check some more filters. Okay, this looks cool. Alright, so I have recorded a video, added a sound, added a filter, and if you'd like to add text, you can just type. And if you'd like to have some stickers and emojis such as this time stickers, you can do that as well. Alright, so once you're done with all these, just click on this next. Alright, so now your video is ready to publish. Your video is recorded. Now describe your video, and then you can post. I just hit the post, and now you can see the video. Alright, it's posted. Thank you so much for watching.